iCore is a cloud-based solution that allows organizations to audit themselves against environmental legislation, ultimately serving to protect the environment from pollution, as well as protect organizations from risk of prosecution or reputational damage.
We have all this data in the form of legislation that needs to be read and understood in order for us to be able to translate that into something usable to our clients. But that is a task for a big team of people, and that again is traditionally how it's done. But we knew there'd be a better way, so we approached Hartree and said, this is the data we've got that we're using. We want to make it more usable for ourselves so we can improve our service to our clients. And yeah, well, I obviously saw that there was a possibility in that.
We've had weekly meetings with the team to help us explore opportunities for AI and large language models to automate the process of scanning for changes in legislation, to make sure that we can move through it a little bit more quickly, but also to kind of minimize the risk of human error.
It's been exciting to see the development of something that, much like our business, it's traditionally kind of stale and boring from the outside for people that aren't in that sphere, that might think, well, yeah, data science, whatever. But actually, I had a little bit of insight, but I didn't quite understand quite how in-depth and exciting it could be.
Having access to kind of the best minds in the business who are dedicated to helping you solve your problem, but in a funded and not a commercial context, makes it infinitely more accessible to small businesses.
To anyone else who's looking to receive help from Hartree, I'd say just go for it, fill in the application. It seemed like such an impossibility, taking so much data that's written in such a confusing and horrible way, and just to take that and sort of filter through it without anyone really having to do anything more than push a button and come out with the result at the end is spectacular.
Having this in our arsenal and our ability to scan regulation and the frequency to do that is going to make us infinitely more competitive. It is going to continue to help us expand our services, and it's exactly what we wanted. It's going to do absolutely everything that we needed to do. Fundamentally, we're walking away with something that we can implement in our business immediately and is going to be immediately beneficial.